Welcome to the channel, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Ooh, look at that. Got some ball shrimp, egg, potato, sausage, corn, all that. I need to change my wig or something. That's how y'all do when y'all get about. Welcome to Grace for East, y'all, where we like to talk, but we love to eat. First and foremost, thank you for clicking on this video. Now, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm almost to 200. Remember to drop your cash app, because when I reach 200, I am doing a giveaway, y'all. So drop your cash app and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Okay. Now, today I'm excited, y'all, because this is the first ball that I'm doing on the channel today. I have a shrimp ball, and I'm gonna put that close up in there for y'all. And I did the Be Love sauce, y'all, but I did alternate it to my liking and alternate to my needs and my wants, because I do have, blood pressure. I can't be, I can't do too much. And today I'm going to do the try not to say while you eating challenge. Okay? You might be asking what that is. Okay, when you eat, you know how we like to, it's good and stuff like that. Okay, I can't say that while I'm eating, y'all. So I don't know how that's gonna go, but wish me luck. But that's the challenge I'm doing today. Is the challenge that the mukbangers have going around on YouTube. So I'm gonna attempt to do it today. So I have to eat and I can't say Okay. Okay, I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready to eat. I haven't eaten all day. This is my first meal. I have some colossal shrimp. I have some corn, potatoes, sausage, egg, all that. And I do have the sauce, Beloved sauce, in mild, y'all, because I can't eat the spice. And I made it myself, but I alternated it to my liking. Now, if you guys want to see the recipe, how I alternated to kind of like bring down the sodium in it, let me know and comment down below. Now, let's get to eating, y'all. Now, remember, I can't say okay? I can't say So, how everybody doing? I hope good. I need y'all to keep me and my husband in prayer. Ain't nothing wrong though, y'all. We just had to pay an $898 light bill today. Look, y'all. Yes, you heard me right. Y'all, that's good. It almost got me. Y'all. Yes, our light bill was $898. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't want to press send. I almost wanted to light some candles or something. This is my first meal today, y'all. But I'm really trying to pass this challenge. See? What y'all cooking for the weekend? I did gumbo a couple of days ago. We ate off that for about 3 days. Down south, once we feel a little wind blowing, we either cooking gumbo or soup. See? Either one. Either one is fine with me. This is my first time doing the sauce, y'all. It's pretty good, but remember, you can always alternate it the way you want to. Do it to your liking. It's about what you want to eat. Y'all have to do a little happy now. Y'all, my favorite thing is potatoes. I have a problem. I could eat potato all day, every day. My family clown me because of how much I eat potatoes. Okay, y'all, I had to fix my shit up. I don't know what the hell is going on. Lord, I'm looking like the real mellow today. I need to change my wig or something. That's how y'all do when y'all get a bob. I need help. Ain't nobody owe you shit. And ain't nobody gonna give you nothing for free. I've had a lot of people come up to me about being business partners and things like that, and I turn it down. I know a lot of people may say, oh, well, you stupid and all kind of stuff like that, but understand, you can't make no moves without going first and foremost. That's your first consultant. You should be consulting him in everything that you do. Think logical. And also think, if these people get mad today or tomorrow, and you in business with them, they the bread and the butter, guess what? They taking the damn business away from you, and guess what you stuck with? Nothing. This generation, I feel like they taught us to be man haters. For some reason. Like, we're really not taught how to love a man, how to appreciate a man, a good man. Because not just any kind of man, because they all ain't good, okay? But we've been taught that way. They try to program our mind that way. That all men are the same. And they're really not. You can't blame another man for another man's mistake. And we just talking, y'all. We ain't got no specific topic today. But that's just something I want to teach my daughters. Like I do candlelight sometime and things like that, and dinners for their dad. And they always ask me questions. They were like, why you doing that for him? Oh, I know why. Oh, it's because you want to show him that you love him. You want to show him that you appreciate him. I'm like, that's exactly right. You see that your dad treats me right. So guess what? I'm going to treat him right. That's the problem with the world. You ever love somebody who didn't receive love as a child? Do you know how hard that is? Do you know how hard it is to give love, and you're never really got love the proper way as a child. That's hard also. Sometimes you gotta understand you can't give someone what you never had. You can't expect someone either to give you what they never had. If someone never received love and affection and hugs and kisses and things like that, you can't expect people. You can't expect. Now you can voice your opinion, and hopefully they change and take heed to that. But don't hold it against. They know not what they do. I'm 30 years old. I'm just now learning how to be comfortable with showing affection. Affection used to make my skin crawl. I know y'all like me, but hey, don't judge me. I know my mama loved me. You know, I know my family loved me growing up. But we just not affectionate people. We just like, don't touch me. Like, don't come too close to me. We wouldn't wake up in the morning and be like, oh, give me a hug, give me a kiss, girl, I miss you. Come on, that like, no. We'll wake up and be like, what's up? What we cooking today? What we eating today? You know, something like that. But we wasn't those type of people to do all that. I just want to leave y'all with, remember, I love you, God loves you. Love your damn self, okay? If nobody else loves you, love yourself. I have a new video that's going to be dropping Monday. It's going to be back to our, you know, regular chit chats. It's going to be another story time. So be on the lookout for that Monday. I'll be dropping another video, and I drop about 3 times a week, y'all. I really try. It be hard, but you know, I be trying to keep it G. I be trying to do that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to drop your cash out, okay? Drop your cash out, because when I hit them 200, I'm at 190 something right now. Don't you need some money? Okay, we all need some money. Make sure you subscribe though, okay? Have a good day. Have a great weekend. Be safe, y'all. Love y'all. Make sure y'all drop any topics too in the comment section that you maybe want me to talk about, or you want my opinion about, or anything like that. You need advice, you need somebody, I'm here. I love you. Remember to stay graceful and to be blessed, y'all. Don't forget, y'all, hit that subscribe button before you go.